Routing technology and network security are crucial for maintaining a robust and efficient digital communication infrastructure in today's interconnected world. Understanding the fundamentals of IP addressing is essential for network configuration and management, ensuring seamless connectivity across devices. A MAC address is a unique identifier for network interfaces, enabling precise device communication and network segmentation. IP addressing, also known as logical addressing, can be manually set by a network engineer or automatically distributed via DHCP, ensuring unique addresses for each device. IP addresses are categorized into 5 classes: A, B, C, D, and E, with Class A, B, and C commonly used in networking. Each IP class has a network ID and a host ID, with the first octet's value determining the class, allowing devices to be uniquely identified in a network. The IP addressing scheme defines the range and structure of network and host IDs across different classes, optimizing network organization and scalability. A subnet mask helps identify the specific subnet to which an IP address belongs, separating network and host ID components and determining the maximum number of hosts. Default subnet masks are automatically set by the operating system when assigning an IP address, simplifying network configuration. Subnet masks can be represented in 3 formats: binary, prefix, /format, and dotted decimal notation, DDN, providing flexibility in network design.